Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to this amazing session. My name is Emmanuel Egharevba, popularly known as MJ Crypto. And in this video, we're going to actually dissect Doge USDT, one of my favorite pairs out there that I basically use for, trading when I want to trade alts. Okay, so we're starting off from the weekly time frame, starting off from the weekly, and then we'll actually be going down to the daily time frame, right? So first things first, we usually do start these analysis from the weekly. Do you know why? The reason is because we want to know where the major levels are in the market. So when we can actually decipher where the levels are in the market, we know our range we're trading from, we know where we're taking profit, we know where we're putting stop losses, we know our targets and all of that. So it makes the work much more easier, right? And these are the things I keep saying in my trading course called SMC Made Easy, which so many people have benefited from all across the world. And it becomes so easy when you are trading. Now, first things first, we're on the weekly. What do you see on the weekly time frame here? You can see I've plotted out my key levels. I've actually plotted them out so it becomes super easy when we are making this analysis. Now, the next thing I want to do is to come down to either the 3 days time frame or the daily. But in this case, I'm going to do for both. So I'm going to head over to the 3 days time frame, which is in between the daily and the weekly. Now, you can see with the 3 days time frame, we have closed above this resistance, closed above this resistance here. And what this means is that we're likely going to be pushing up to the upside from here. All right, we're going to be targeting this level. Now, I'm going to close this now and then go over to the daily time frame. What is the daily time frame saying? What are we saying? What are we looking at? Are we bullish or are we bearish? Now, look at what the daily is saying. Daily is saying that at this time, we're actually recovering, and price is just resting above here. Price is just resting here. Price is currently here. So this is our level of interest. I'm going to map it out. This is our level of interest. If you've not gotten the SMC Made Easy course, I really don't know what you are waiting for, because this course has been transforming lives like Kilo D. It has been transforming lives, my dear friend. All right. So we're actually here now. Actually here. This is our area of interest. The next thing I want to do is to move down to the 4 hours and then look at what the 4 hours is saying. Is the 4 hours telling us too long, or is the 4 hours telling us that we need to have a pause? Don't forget, our next target profit is around this area, but we don't want to be in a hurry. Okay, we don't want to be in what? In a hurry. So I personally would want this particular high to be taken out first. Want this high to be taken out. This will give me a confirmation that this is a what? Change of character. It's too thick. Let me just make it a little bit thinner. So I'm going to name this my awaiting chalk. I'm going to name this my awaiting chalk, and I'm going to just leave it like so. And when price eventually breaks out and we do something like this, let's imagine that we do something like this, we'll come down again to fill up the same key level, which will now be an order block. All right. Then I will be buying from here, guys. I'm going to be buying from here to this point. I'm going to be buying from there to this point. All right. So if I should measure my take profit, it's going to be from here to here. It's about 16%, which is not bad. It's not bad at all. 16% with a leverage of 20x. Then you should know that we're going to be making extreme profits. All right, I'm going to be making what? Extreme profits from this. So basically, this is what we need to be doing. Now, I want to actually use this medium to thank all my followers worldwide, Nigerians, Kenyans, Ugandans. If you can actually just hear my voice, you're under the sound of my voice, I want you to just comment under this video. I love you, MJ Crypto. That's actually going to what? Propel me to do more. All right. It's not easy to actually give out some of this valuable information right here without asking for a penny. So just comment, I love you, MJ Crypto, or just comment, the next topic that you would actually want me to talk about right here on this channel. All right. So now we've actually done with this analysis. We know our projections. So we know where we are heading towards, and we also know where we should be looking out for in the current within the current few days or weeks, right? So now, for those of you who do not actually want to do all of this, you can as well take advantage of my signal room. I have a signal platform where I share top-notch, amazing signals for a token, just $25. You already know by now that I don't give exorbitant prices for my courses or signals. All right, just $25, and you are in there smashing profits alongside with traders like you. All right, $25. So the link to access everything that I've just said, all the offers, are down beneath the description of this video. Just click on the description of this video and you're actually going to see all of these offers staring at you right in your face, right? So this is for Doge USDT, and I'm sincerely waiting for this to happen so that I can, make some cool cash and be happy with myself. It's a lovely weekend, isn't it? So cheers once again, one love. Click on the subscribe button. Don't forget that. Click on the subscribe button, like this video, drop a comment, positive comment down beneath this. It propels me to do more. And of course, don't forget to use your good risk management when trading all of these signals that I'm giving out here on YouTube. One love. Peace out to you guys. I love you all so much. Keep rocking the market. Keep making profits. And don't forget, put yourself first before any other person on this planet.